taxes and company working as an intern to live talking about the remedy against the ex parte acceptance of the evidence. It is ideal to note that remedies that are available with regard to an ex parte degree will be ipso facto by the fact itself. Now, the first being the application under Order 9 Rule 13 of CPC, which sets aside the ex parte degree. There are two justifications for overturning under this. First is whether the summons was not properly served according to Order 5 Rule 19, issue of service and summons and examination by the service officer. Court is required to record a declaration of due service prior to conducting ex parte proceedings. According to the requirements of the court dealing with the summons service due to the service defined as that occurs in a manner that effectively notifies the defendant. There was a good reason for the defendant to be excused from showing up when the case was summoned for hearing. In case of Gayatri versus Ramesh 1993, the respondent husband did not appear before the court. He was then adjudicated ex parte. The case was made available for ex parte testimony. In this case, the petitioner filed an affidavit certifying to certain conditions and pleading for support. The petition was denied by the learned trial after it determined that there was no basis for granting maintenance without recording any supporting documents. Thus, setting aside an ex parte degree signifies setting aside evidence recorded before passing a degree. According to this, it has the legal effect of returning the defendant to their pre-ex parte position. The obvious goal is to prevent any harm to the defendant when the ex parte degree was overturned and he was not given any opportunity to represent himself. The next being the appeal under section 96 of CPC. An ex parte initial judgment may be appealed. Any court may appeal barring any stated provisions to the contrary. If the lawsuit's value is less than rupees 10,000, appeal may only be made on a legal issue when an ex parte is appealed allowed. A review application under section 114. By a judgment or order which appeal is permitted under this code, by judgment or order from which there is no right of appeal, by decision following a referral from the court of small causes.